Alright guys, so today we're going to show you the unboxing of our Mavic Mini Fly More combo that we just picked up. I'm going to show you the whole unboxing. Alright, let's get started. Let's see what this comes with. I'm going to put this over here. Okay, so as you can see, the Fly More combo comes with the bag. Right, so that's the Dji Mavic right here. This is the sign of propellers. So these are the big propellers, I believe. So let's just have a quick look in here. Yep, so these are the propellers that come with the Fly More combo. Okay, and then let's have this on the side. We've got the propellers. Let's see what else is in the box. This is the Mavic Mini combo accessory. It is the adapter over here. So let's just have a quick peek. This is the adapter, DJI. All right, so we've got the adapter, we've got the propellers, and this is looking like, let's see what it is. It's documents. So these are what it is. It's a quick Mavic Mini starter guide, I believe. Give me 1 second. Let's have a look. Yeah, so it's just a bunch of accessory user guide that it comes with right here. Quick start guide. Okay, so this is just information and all the important documents that we might need later. So let's just keep this on the side as well. So we've got this. I'll actually put it here since we have to open this. Then next we have batteries, as you can see right here. We've got the Fly More combo comes with a 3 set of international batteries. So let's have a look at these. So 3 batteries, we'll probably need one of them, so I'll take out one and just keep that on the side. All right, so if we've got our battery, we can put this back for now. And now I will show you the drone itself. So that's all that was in the box right here. So we've unpacked everywhere. As you can see, we've got the propellers, we've got the 3 batteries, we've got the case and everything else we're expecting inside. All right, so let's get started and unravel this DJI Mavic Mini Fly More drone itself. All right, so here we are. This is the drone and the accessories and the parts that are with it. We'll go ahead and oh wow, it's very light, actually, very light. In the videos I was watching earlier seemed pretty heavy, but it is actually very light. And then over here we've got I believe, let's see, what is this? This is okay, so this is the controller over here. That's the handy controller. We've got, that's the power button right here. We'll get more into the exploring and how to set up in the further video, but this is just unboxing and just showing you all the steps and accessories that it comes with. So this is the battery charger. As you can see, it comes with the 3 batteries. So this is the DJI, and this is the battery that I took out earlier. So as you can see, you can just plug in over here and you can just quickly just charge your battery. It's pretty convenient, and then you can just unhook and take it out at any time. So it comes with the battery charger. That's pretty cool. And then moreover, what do we have? Let's see. Other accessories we have is these are the small propellers. All right, so over here we've got small propellers, as you can see from the little logo over here. It's pretty cool that each accessory has a logo outside, so you can quickly find out what's in there. These are the small propellers. We'll be using them, and these are the small screws. So As you can see, the standard combo, it comes with 6 of these screws, so one of the propellers and 6 of these screws. But the Fly More combo comes in a case with this that has 3 of these propellers, and each of them have 6 screws, so about 18 screws in total. That's one of the main differences. So there's 2 more in there. That's one of the main differences in the Fly More combo as well. All right, so we'll just keep this on the side for now. We've got the propellers, and then over here we have our wiring, the USB cable. As you can see right here, it says mini combo accessory. So let's quickly open it up and look at what is this. So yeah, so this is another set of the cable. Just give me a second. Oh. I'm actually unable to open this one. It's very tiny. Just gonna rip it up and put it on the side. Okay, here we go. We've got okay, so we've got about 3 accessory cables. I believe these are 3 because it's a Fly More combo, and the other one, oh no, actually they're different ports. So as you can see, there's an iPhone one, there's an Android, and there's a USB-C. All right, so we've got 3 accessory wires in here, and then we have further the USB cable. As you can see, the USB over here, USB charging cable, and then we have another USB cable that has the different port, Android, and then furthermore, just another accessories, 2 pieces that you need. There's one of this, one of that. We'll get into the discussion later. This is a screwdriver. Okay, got it. So this is the screwdriver, and this little piece, I believe these are, I'm not too sure what these are.